List number 7. Airwheel H3T Electric Wheelchair. Airwheel H3T Electric Wheelchair is fully automatic folding smart wheelchair. At the touch of your cell phone, you can control your Airwheel H3T with the app on your cell phone, up to 30 plus miles in driving distance. The smart lithium battery can be charged at any time. Weight capacity up to 300 pounds. Aircraft quality aluminum alloy. Solid front wheel 8 inches plus 12.5 inches rear tire. Foldable and digestible footrest. Dual powerful motors. List number 6. Forcemech Voyager R2. The new Voyager R2 incorporated ergonomic design for maximum comfort when seated. All wheels are built with metal alloy core for further structure integrity. Shock absorption springs have been added in the front for further improvement. Rear reflective lights are added for extra visibility. Weighing only 43 pounds without batteries. Its strengthened and enhanced metal alloy frame allows a weight capacity of 265 pounds. It comes standard with dual 200-watt brushless motors and dual 6.6 Ah lithium batteries for a maximum travel distance of up to 16 miles when fully charged. List number 5. WHILL Model CI. Perfect solution to those who wants to enjoy the unique benefits of the WHILL Model CI, but need a customized backrest. The backrest reclines forward. Any angle adjustment. You can mount any tube-mounted backrest. The backrest mounting system for WHILL Model CI allows the use of not only aftermarket backrests, but also lateral supports and any other tube-mounted accessories. List number 4. Lite Cruiser. Introducing the new, improved and updated Lite Cruiser standard model, composed of a very durable lightweight aluminum alloy, giving it a total weight of only 44 pounds without battery, but being capable of handling passengers weighing up to 264 pounds. This updated standard model now has gray rubberized 8 inches rear wheels, giving it superb traction, and now 250-watt brushless hub motors to power them. Easy to transport, no need to install a lift on your car. Small turning radius of above 33 inches. List number 3. Sentire Compact Mobility Aid Wheelchair. Smart silver aluminum aircraft alloy frame, includes matching footrests. This model power wheelchair is very lightweight and durable, and requires no maintenance. Ergonomically designed for comfort. Operate this motorized wheelchair on grass, gravel, or snow, with a long-lasting battery life and shock absorber for ride comfort. Has a sharp turning radius, make sharp turns easily, equipped with two 250-watt motors for a powerful ride. Also includes easy-to-detach cord on joystick to easily remove and place on the right or left side. List number 2. Innuovo Lightweight Foldable Electric Wheelchair. Standard equipped with seat belt and anti-tipper, equipped with 2 batteries. Each can go 6.25 miles with fully charged, 2 for 12.5 miles. Seat height, 19.7 inch. Seat width, 16.5 inch. Wheelchair weight without battery, 43 pounds. Travel range 6.25 miles per battery. Front wheel, solid tire, outside diameter, 7.0 inch. Rear wheel, solid tire, outside diameter, 9 inch. And the list number 1. FKD FoldLite Electric Wheelchair. More powerful and quiet brushless motors making the driving more stable and powerful. Also includes an easy-to-detach cord on the joystick to easily remove and place on the right or left side. The LED screen, USB charging port, 360-degree joystick with phonetic function support, with the option of 3 driving mode: normal, soft, powerful. Long-lasting battery life and shock absorber for ride comfort. Battery gets up to 16 miles in driving distance. The lithium battery can be charged and used together or separately.